Network Plus in 10 minutes. Core concepts you must know. I'm sitting in the waiting area at my Pearson VUE exam center, running through every Network Plus topic I can think of, hoping to squeeze in just a bit more before they call my name. I go on YouTube to find a video that might help me go over some key topics like the OSI model or subnetting in a few minutes so that I can go into the exam hall and brain dump that info on a piece of paper. I search for Network Plus revision and I'm hit with playlists containing 33 videos and a 5-hour long video titled The Complete CompTIA Network Crash Course for 2025. Why is it so hard to find a straightforward, no fluff breakdown of this exam? Everyone either talks like a textbook or dumps 8 hours of jargon on you with no structure and no focus. So instead of another 5-hour video, here's what you actually need to walk in with confidence. Let's start with the spine of networking, the OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. It consists of 7 layers. Here's what they really mean. Layer 1, physical. This is your cables, NICs, and signals, literal hardware. Layer 2, data link. Handles MAC addresses. It controls how devices talk over the same wire. Think of it as name tags at a networking event. Layer 3, network, where IP addresses live. It's where routing happens. It decides the path your data takes. Layer 4, transport. This is TCP and UDP, reliable or fast, deciding if you shake hands or shout. Your choice. Layer 5, session. Manages sessions. Think logins, keeping connections open or closing them cleanly. Layer 6, presentation. Translates data like encryption, decryption, compression. It makes sure the data looks right. Layer 7, applications. This is what you see: web browsers, email clients, Zoom, Netflix. It's how you interact with the network. A quick way to remember it is using the mnemonic. All people seem to need data processing. That's layer 7 to 1. Now you can flip it. Please do not throw sausage pizza away if you're climbing from cables to the app. Next up, we have port numbers. They show up on almost every Network Plus exam. Don't just memorize them, internalize them. 20 and 21 is for FTP, File Transfer Protocol. That's used for moving files, think, send, and receive. 22 is for SSH, Secure Shell. That's used for secure remote logging. It's the encrypted way into a system. 23 is for Telnet. It's like SSH, but wide open. It's almost never used today because it's not secure. 25 is used for SMTP. This sends emails out. Think outbound mail. 53 is for DNS. This translates google.com into an IP address that the routers can actually use. DNS is basically the phone book of the internet. 80 is HTTP. That's basic web traffic, the open version. 443 is HTTPS. That's encrypted web traffic. This is the default now. Now these aren't all the ports, but the most common ones. Burn these into your brain. They're like secret codes. Once you see them, the questions are easy. Next, subnetting. Subnetting confuses everyone because they try to learn binary first. Here's the shortcut. Slash 24 means 255.255.255.0. That's 256 IPs in a subnet. But subtract 2, one for network ID and one for the broadcast. So 254 usable IP addresses. There's some private IP address ranges you need to know. 10.0.0.0 all the way to 10.255.255.255. 172.16.0.0 all the way to 172.31.255.255. 192.168.0.0 all the way to 168.255.255. You'll see subnetting as math, but if you know /24, /16, and /8, you're halfway there. By the way, if this kind of simple, no fluff breakdown is helping, imagine getting it for the entire exam. That's exactly what I built inside my Skool community. Inside my CompTIA certification Skool community, I've broken down everything A plus, Network plus, and Security plus into crystal clear lessons with high retention modes and personalized support. None of that 5-hour lectures, no death by slide deck, just the essentials clear, focused, and fast. Click the link below to join today and book your one on one call with me. Let's build your custom study plan, simplify this journey, and get you certified faster and with confidence. You're not alone in this. Let's get to work. Next up, we've got network devices simplified. Routers route, they connect networks. Switches switch, they send data to the right device on a network. Hubs, they're kind of dumb. They blast data to everyone. Firewalls block traffic. They're the bouncers of the network. Wireless access points, let your devices talk without cables. It's that simple. Next up, here are some command line tools you'll be tested on that show up again and again on the exam. Ping checks if something's reachable. Tracert is used to see the path packets take. ipconfig checks your IP, gateway, and DNS. NSLOOKUP finds the IP behind a domain. Netstat helps see the network connections. Nmap is a port scanner, more advanced but powerful. Use these in real life, or at least run them once before your exam. Some security basics you can't skip. You don't need to be a hacker, but you do need to know these. WPA3 is the newest wireless security standard. Radius and TACAX Plus manage authentication. TACAX Plus is more secure. Firewalls stop bad traffic. Encryption matters, especially in wireless networks. These are critical for both passing the exam and surviving in a real IT job. You've made it to the end, and if you're still watching, that tells me one thing. You're serious about passing this exam. So don't waste another week jumping between videos or second guessing your study plan. Join my CompTIA certification Skool community today and let's lock in. We've got bite-sized lessons that actually make sense. Personal one-on-one support from me, a system that's guaranteed to get you results. Click the link below. Join now and book your first call. Let's get you certified, let's get you hired, and let's make this your year. I'll see you inside.